Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a big Remington Rand. This is a KMC. Just one of those big models from the 40s. My video for today is just to show how to take some of the stuff off on this typewriter. It's a little trickier than some. Let's just start with the lid. So that lid is a tight lid. The thing is tilt it from the back like that. And that's how you put it on too. The front goes on first, like that, and then it snaps down. There's these little snaps back in here, right there, that snap the lid down. So you've got to put the front on, and then push down the back, and it snaps in there. So that's how you do the lid. Let's do this front panel, because I need to clean this type right here. And it sure would be nice to get into this panel. And I know that these little knobby guys are in the way. And I've had some trouble with these before, because they just screw on, but sometimes they are too tight and they actually will bend the lever because they're so tight. The best thing is like one of these little plumbing pliers. You can get a good overall grip on that ball. Yeah, that one turns. So these all just turn, and they got little threads on them. So put that somewhere safe so it doesn't roll off the bench. Let's try this one. Let's move it up. Get to it. Let's see. Yeah, okay. That wasn't too bad. Okay, get that off. Let's see, got 2 out of 4. The other ones are over here. So let's, I bet these come off. If those 2 came off. Oh, that one, yeah, that one was a little tight though. But once it's free, it seems to be rolling right off there. Good deal. 3 out of 4, come on, buddy. Oh, this lever's bent too. See, it needs to go back. I'll fix that when the lid's off it. Okay, got it. Okay, now there's just a couple of screws. This one and one on the other side, I think. And this panel should come right on off. Pretty easy. Okay, let's see what happens here. And besides, it's hanging up on this one that's bent over here, I think. There we go. Okay, so this guy is definitely bent. And no, it's not. All right, perfect. So now I can get to the tight faces real easy and get under here and get inside of here and do some cleaning. And so the last thing on this machine that people have trouble with is this back panel here, which sometimes gets dislodged. Sometimes you just got to get in there, and I know I do because the margins aren't working right. So it's right here. There are no screws on this. Let's see if I can get a focus in here. Come on, buddy. And maybe some more light back here or something. So all we do is take a small screwdriver blade and stick it in right here between these 2 little dots. These are just studs. So let's stick that in there and flex it out. There it goes, just like that. And that's all it is 2 studs. And the other side is the same way. It's the same thing, it should just pop right off here. This is my spray. Couldn't even get the carriage to move initially. Had to spray some stuff in there just to make sure it was going to work right. Okay, so that's how you get the back panel off. Pretty easy. And now I have access to the margin rack back here, which was sticking or something was wrong. And that's it. Just remove some of the covers. I really don't know what these do right here. There's one on the other side, and if I push the other side, this whole assembly moves like it would rock out of this frame. But I don't know how to do that, so I'm not going to. All right, that's going to be the video today on this typewriter. Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.